5. Nature facts that sound completely fake, but are actually real. Fact 1. Some beaches glow bright blue at night because of tiny living organisms. Fact 2. A single large tree can provide enough oxygen for several people every day. Fact 3. Lightning strikes Earth over 8 million times every single day. Fact 4. Some waterfalls are so powerful, they create their own rainbows almost every day. Fact 5. There are more than thousands, maybe 100 potentially, active volcanoes on Earth. Follow Facts About the World for more mind-blowing facts every day.